Imagine a vehicle that feels like a spaceship on wheels. That's exactly what this futuristic RV is all about. One glance and you're hooked. Sleek, aerodynamic design with glowing LED accents that pulse like a heartbeat. It's not just a home on wheels, it's a mobile sanctuary straight out of a sci-fi dream. As it glides silently down the highway, people can't help but stare. This isn't your grandpa's camper, this is the future of freedom, and it's parked right in front of you. Now step inside. The automatic gullwing door lifts with a soft hiss, revealing an interior that looks more like a luxury condo in space than an RV. Polished surfaces, touch-sensitive panels, and ambient lighting that adjusts with your mood. It's like the vehicle can read your mind. The walls are embedded with smart glass that switches from clear to tinted with a swipe. Want privacy or panoramic views of the stars? It's all yours, instantly. The living space transforms with voice commands. A hidden screen rises from the countertop, turning into a 4K entertainment system. The couch becomes a reclining bed with massage features. Even the flooring shifts, warm wood tones by day, glowing panels by night. It's not just about looks, it's about experience. Every inch is optimized for comfort, convenience, and connection. The kitchen isn't just a place to cook, it's a tech haven. An AI chef assistant helps you prep meals. The fridge scans what's inside and suggests recipes. There's even a retractable herb garden that waters itself. And yes, it's solar-powered. The roof is covered in ultra-efficient solar panels that not only charge the RV but power your gadgets, your appliances, and even your drone, because let's be honest, every futuristic RV needs a drone. Moving to the bathroom feels like walking into a spa pod. Smart mirrors give you health stats. The shower uses 70% less water thanks to recirculating purification tech. And the toilet? It's self-cleaning, heated, and voice-activated. We're talking next-level hygiene here. But let's talk driving, or not driving. This RV is fully autonomous. Just set your destination and relax. It uses LiDAR, radar, GPS, and onboard AI to navigate safely, no matter the terrain. Want to sleep while cruising through the desert at night and wake up at a lakeside sunrise? Totally possible. Off-grid? No problem. With satellite internet, solar charging, battery storage, and water filtration, you could live rent-free anywhere, deep forest, mountaintop, or beachside cliff. And because it's built with sustainable materials and a low carbon footprint, it's not just good for your soul, it's good for the planet. This futuristic RV isn't just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle shift. It's about escaping the ordinary and redefining what it means to feel at home. Wherever you go, the future goes with you. So, where will you take it first?